This is opening the OBJ file. This is just the default Windows 10 3D viewer. And if you zoom in, you can pan around in 3D and move it around. And this is developed out of the Pix 4D software. This is the Pix 4D application. It's just a trial version, and this is the application I've used to process all the drone imagery. And this is showing the flight path of the drone imagery. And each little red dot represents a photograph that was taken. So the drone started in this corner and then just kind of zigzagged back and forth with about an 80% overlap on the images so that it pieces them together. This view is showing the flight path with the images that are taken with kind of a 3D point cloud after it was processed. And if you click on one of these images, it'll show you just some details about it, statistics on it. And if you click on one, it'll show you all the photographs that that point was associated with. And out of the 192, it looks like maybe 20 were associated with that point. And it's kind of nice because it gives you a little thumbnail as the drone flew the flight path. And what it does is it stitches all those together at the end to create the 3D models and the elevation surface. So this is the GIS program that is pretty standard. It's called ArcGIS Pro. And you can see here, this is the ortho image that's turned on that was processed with the Pix 4D software. And this is the location in the folder structure where you can find that file. And if you zoom in, you can see the pretty detailed imagery that is collected from the drone. And the drone was flying at about 100 feet up, between 120 to 160 feet. And you can just pan around as any Google Maps or ortho image, but it's much higher resolution. And this is the DSM. So this is the digital surface model that's created from the 3D points that are collected when it interpolates the path together. The wider elevations are higher and the darker elevations are lower. So that's why the trees are more white and the streets are dark. And then this is the LAS file, which is the basically LiDAR point file. It's created from the interpolation of all the 3D points, and there are actually millions of points in here that are processed through the Pix 4D software. And you can do different types of interpolations with this, such as defining structures and trees and different features. And each point has a X, Y, and then also an elevation associated with it.